Okay, so now we're going to install all of the operating systems for all the machines that we have here. Okay, so let's start with the first machine. Click on Start. Okay, so make sure that the language is English, that the time and currency is English, and the keyboard is US. Okay, now you can click on Next and Install Now. Alright, so here we're going to click the data center version of the desktop experience. So you click on that and you click on Next. Alright, now accept and click on Next. Custom install, click on the drive and click on Next. Okay, so by default the username is administrator, and we're gonna put in the password123. As you can see there, make sure to capitalize the P, password123 again. Okay, that's good, they match. Now we're gonna finish off and wait. Okay, so now we're gonna log in with that administrator account that we just created, password123, and give it a wait. Okay, so it logged in. Alright, that's good. This machine's ready. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, now we're gonna start the second virtual machine. Okay, so leave everything as default and click on Next. Install now and wait. Okay, so you're gonna click on I do not have a product key. Click on Windows 10 Pro and click on Next. Now accept and click on Next. Custom install, click on Next. Click on US and click on Next. Click on Skip. Here you're going to click on Set for Personal Use. Then you're going to click on Next. Click on Offline Account. Click on Limited Experience. Now you can enter user 1. Next. There will be no password, so you skip that. Click on Next. Alright, so now you're going to set everything to no. So this is going to be a bare bones experience. Continue. Accept. You're going to click on Skip. Not now. Alright, so now we're in, and it looks like everything is good. You click on no here. Alright, so now we can move on. So what you're gonna do now is shut off the machine. Okay, so now the only thing that's left is the client 1 machine. So we're gonna install Windows 10 on this machine, and it's the same process as installing admin 1. So I won't show you the installation process, but just follow the instructions that you went through in admin 1 and you should be fine. Remember that this computer is not connected to the internet. And that being said, we have installed all of the operating systems here, and we're ready for the next steps.